Fiza, you can start.
So, okay. A very good evening to one and all. I, Fiza Patel, core member of Shutterbugs MITOE Club, would like to welcome you all for today's last but not the least session of the workshop based on Adobe Photoshop. This session will be taken by Vedant Lachke. He is not only a core member but also an amazing photographer, graphic designer who is also skilled in video editing and videography. So with further no delay, I hand over the session to Vedant sir.
Okay, thank you, Fiza. I hope so I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Vedant, and today I will be covering the sixth session, which is on basics of Photoshop. So, the things which we are going to cover in this session are like overview of Photoshop would be given to each and everyone, and our like adjustments of layer and layer mask, spot healing tools, clone stamp tool, basic selection, smart objects, and color changing. Like we would be doing all these things. Like if you don't understand these things which I am written over there, you can go to the further pictures which I would be showing to you right now and see what will be the changes. Okay, you might be seeing the first image which we're going to edit today, which would be like if you see there before and there are two afters of that photo. We will be making them like this, and similarly now second image. Yes, it would be seen right now. Like it's before and it's after. Yes, this is a third image. Should be like it was not satisfied before and it was not fitting in the rules of third. So making to make it fit in the rules of third, I've tried to elongate and like expand the photo in this. Also, we will make a collage. Like it's not like everyone has a collage lab and use it and make it, but we won't get that much quality of content like pixel. मतलब हमें नहीं मिलता है. मतलब ये अगर फोटो is around 10 MB के हमने 4 फोटो डाले तो we get in photos in KB which get compressed. To avoid that compression, we use a Photoshop which gives us a like high document, like high profile document, which would be better to use for printing purpose also, and have not without losing it will not lose in quality. And we will in this fifth picture. Is the picture visible? Anyone from organizers?
It is the
Not
same
yet,
collage
Vedant.
one visible. It is the same collage image. Attendees,
Okay.
I would like to make one announcement that the presenter is taking a pause because there is a slight lag between the audio and the presentation. That's why the presenter is taking a small pause during explanations. Go ahead, Vedant.
Okay, sir. Uh,
The
Okay,
fifth image
we
is
are
visible.
now you might be seeing the fifth image. Yes, there was some network issue right now. I don't know, but it's there. Like this is the fifth image. In this, if you see before part of this, we have a red color TV and red color background of behind that TV and some white colored background on the right side of this image. So what I like means I think what should a editor do in this? It's like making the same color of as if the shirt जैसे इस शर्ट का कलर है वैसे कलर का ही हम ये टीवी बनाएंगे मतलब टीवी का ये बॉक्स का सेट बनाएंगे as well as ये दोनों भी walls भी बनाएंगे which would help and look more attractive in this photo. Moving to the further image.
So basically, attendees, if we have all the images of all the objects of the same color, it is called theme photography. So orange is the theme here.
You can see the sixth picture. I will try to show this because we are facing some time issues, but I will try to show this because this edit consists all about the all five photographs which would be using like editing of all five in this one photo. So now let's get started and okay. So we will be starting the Photoshop right now. I'm just waiting here because I can see as an audience view my sixth image.
Is there a time lag, Vedant?
I think so because I have opened the Photoshop right now.
It is not visible to the audience, to the attendees. It is still showing sixth image. Yes, now it has opened. Now it is showing Photoshop.
Okay. So this is the basic overview of Photoshop. Like before, I have also just resetted it or like if you like I have a different workspace when I work on Photoshop, but for better understanding from both the sides, so I have just like resetted all the Photoshop settings and starting it right now. Okay, so here are few options like written file, edit, image, layer, type, select filters, 3D, view and window. Basically, we are going to see it individually. Like I would be giving an overview of them while doing it. Okay, now we will open the image. Over here we have an option written as open. In the morning time, I have shared some photos with you all for that thing, for like editing purpose. So we will be adding few of them. Now I think it's showing open.
Continue.
Uh, for now, for the first image, we will be selecting sample one image and sample two image. We would control and select both of them. Like now, I will be showing it. It's selected both of them, and now it will open. Okay.
Vedant, while it is opening, you can tell the audience which version of Photoshop are you using?
Now, okay. Now I am currently using Photoshop 2019 CC. I generally used 1 year before Photoshop because if I now use 2020, it would be facing fewer bugs in them, which would be last update of 2020 is given in November and like in month of November, which is totally well and without any bugs. But there are very few bugs inside in 2020 also. But I generally prefer 2019, means 1 year behind the current version. So okay, now we have been started this. There is, I think so you can see the cloud image, and another one is the tree within the mountains. Now
Yes, now we can see the second image with the tree.
okay, we can see over here the tree as
With
well
your
as
voice is
the
breaking.
cloud also. Now I am going to add this cloud. Sorry, sir.
Your voice was breaking in between. Okay, just continue. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Uh, and as you see, there would be I'm just waiting to go in audience one. Yes. I'm sorry for the network issue which I'm right now facing.
Meanwhile, Vedant, you can tell the audience about which version they can use as a beginner of the Photoshop.
According to different system specifications, like this particular RAM, this particular graphics card.
So the basics one,
Meanwhile, Bandesh can tell about the Photoshop version to the audience.
Hello.
Yes, Bandesh, go ahead.
Huh. So if you have a very like say slow PC, or you have less specifications on your system, you can start with the basic version of Photoshop, that is Photoshop Creative Suite, that is Photoshop CS. So this version that I'm saying is Photoshop CS 2015. Now minimum requirements for these versions of Photoshops are minimum 2 GB of RAM, and then Windows 7 to Windows 10 compatibility is there. The version Vedant is using is Photoshop CC, that is Photoshop Creative Cloud. Now the main difference between Photoshop CS and Photoshop CC is that the Photoshop CC, that is Photoshop Creative Cloud version, is continuously updated with new features. Say you are using Photoshop CC 2016, so you can automatically update to Photoshop CC 2017. In the CS version, the Creative Suite, you need to manually update to the higher version.
We have now shifted the cloud image into sample one image. We have to cross it over the first image. Now we are going to like cross the whole cloud over this first image, and so basically we have done this. Now I will show you some basic tools in Photoshop. Like in the first, this is Photoshop is divided into the 4 parts. In the left hand side, you can see the toolbar, in which the toolbar we get first tool is like move tool. Then second one is a mark you, which is a selection tool. Another one below it, it is also a selection tool, which is known as lasso tool, as well as magic wand tool is also there, which is used for the selection purpose. Then the fifth tool from the above is the crop tool. Generally, the crop tool is used for, like, you have seen in the Snapseed editing also. It's a basic tool is used for cropping the image. Also, we have an eyedropper tool, which help us to select the colors. Like if I tap this, then the foreground color will be changing. Like foreground color is the color which is above the below color, which is left behind. Is background color is white and foreground color is right now the color which I've been selected from the Photoshop background. Yeah, the next one would be the healing tool. Which is used for healing out the images. Then we have a brush tool, clone stamp tool, which is also one of the healing tool. And then we have a eraser, then gradient tool, like many others. Like we have an advanced selection tool, which is also said as a pen tool over there, which is which comes under the advanced Photoshop point of view. And we have text, so can edit the text over there and add a text also over there. So now, as you see, we have placed a cloud photo over the background color, means the background photo. We would be moving towards a layer panel. The layer panel is in the right hand side below the colors and swatch. Okay, and then we will be seeing type thing, which will be layers will be, if the eye is on, the layers will be visible. If the eye is off, the layers will be off. But of this time we will be layer 1, which is a cloud layer. We will be making it off. And we see only the background as the tree and the mountains, between the mountains, जो कि अभी हमें यहाँ पर स्काई रिप्लेस करना है फिलहाल। पहले तो पहले हम इसके अंदर का ट्री निकालेंगे, which will be, we will be creating a new layer which will be created by the, in the bottom of the layer, लेयर के ऑप्शन के नीचे जा जाओगे तो यहाँ पे एक न्यू लेयर का ऑप्शन आएगा, उस पर हम क्लिक करेंगे। After clicking this, the new layer would be forming, would be placing this layer above the background, which the tree layer. And now we will be using a spot hill tool, which it will be available in the tools option, or you can press J or selecting that tool. Now we use this tool because we have like unwanted, मतलब जो चीजें नहीं चाहिए होती है वो हमें निकालना होता है कभी कभी, मतलब we don't get the desired pick many a times that after we click it. So for this time we will be using a spot hilling tool, and over here we can adjust the size in the tool option. Like if you go in this above section, you will be seeing the various type. First of all, click on the content aware and then go to the size, adjust the size of it. There is a like softness also can be adjusted of the soft, like it would work like a brush over there. मतलब अभी हमें उसके ऊपर लाइक अभी हमने यहाँ पर एक माउस यूज कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर मतलब इतना इफेक्ट नहीं होगा हार्डनेस और इसके ऊपर का, बट साइज पे वही होता है. So we would be adjusting the size. Also we can adjust the size. Now in the left bottom part you can see the button which I am pressing right now to increase the size of the brush. Hope that is visible. I think so. Right now I have zoomed the image, pressing Control and plus button. So meanwhile I was like doing the healing tool, but I am not seeing the audience view right now. So
Meanwhile, Mr. Palash, he'll be giving some tips regarding harsh light photography. Yes, Palash, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, a lot of you are asking how to click a photograph on harsh light, or what is your what should be your exposure triangle setting for the harsh light photography. So, if you just put your aperture on 16, right? So, put your value of f to 16, and then match the value of your ISO and shutter speed. If you suppose if your ISO is 100, keep your shutter speed at 100. If your ISO is 600, keep your shutter speed at 600. This tip will always give you a exact exposure for the harsh light. So if you
Okay.
are planning to shoot at somewhere between 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. or 3 p.m., so please follow this rule. Put your aperture value at 16 and match your ISO value and shutter speed value. So it will be beneficial for beginners also.
Okay. Very important and interesting tip. Thanks, Palash.
Yes, sir. It's called as F16 rule in photography.
Okay, okay.
I need some help from co-organizer. What is now, it's what you can see on this screen right now?
I think you have erased the tree. We can see your cursor on layer
Okay.
2. Now,
Okay.
you are zoom in, zoom out with the image.
Okay, we will be selecting the spot hill tool and we will be healing it right now. Okay. The black part which I am selecting is getting selected, and the thing behind this AI works is like it will मतलब वो आजू बाजू की चीजें ग्रास करके खुद भर लेगा. मतलब हमने जो कंटेंट था ऊपर क्लिक किया था उसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अभी ये साइड वाला जो पार्ट होगा, like this is a white sky, I think so. It's like he has lost his highlights, I think so. So while clicking this photo, like we will be erasing it. Now if we go back and see, I think there would be no tree in between. So in the further steps, we will be selecting a quick wand tool, magic wand tool, sorry, which would be in the tools option, or otherwise you can press W on your keyboard to get a shortcut key for that. And we will be selecting this part of view. Now almost everything has been selected in the sky point of view. We will be turning on the clouds right now. Okay. Now what we have to do is go on the layer of cloud, and there is a button of mask, add a mask layer. We will be adding it. Now we can see that the cloud has been, the sky has been replaced by all the clouds which we have inputted through this image. जैसे कि हमने ये इमेज में ऐड करके किया था. So अभी हमने एक करना है कि ये जो ब्लेंडिंग मोड है शायद ये थोड़ा ये हार्श मतलब हार्श टाइप ऑफ व्यू दे रहा है, वो नेचुरल इतना दिख नहीं रहा है, तो हमें इसका ब्लेंडिंग मोड जाके चेंज करना है, जो कि हमें लेयर ऑप्शन में दिख जाएगा। ओके, नाउ देयर आर few types in the blending modes also. यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि मेन 5 टाइप है। फर्स्ट इज darken, then like second group is of lighten, then third is of overlay, then fourth of they, which generally I say it like it's used for VFX type of view, and the fourth like fifth one is use saturation and color luminosity. So in this type of view we would the basic मतलब उसके पीछे रीजन क्या है वो करने के कि मतलब AI जो वर्क करता है वो ये ऐसा यूज करता है कि अगर तुम्हारा फोटो डार्क है और तुम्हारा बैकग्राउंड ब्लैक मतलब ऐसा व्हाइट कलर का जैसे अभी था, we have a dark cloud and a white background. So if we use a darken over there, it would be replacing the light part with the dark part. But if we use a lighten, then it would be replaced like a dark color would be replaced in the lighter part. तुम्हें ये फोटो में फर्क दिख जाएगा कि मैं क्या कहना चाहता था कि अगर लाइट बैकग्राउंड होगा और डार्क इमेज होगी तो वी विल यूज अ डार्क इमेज जो हमें अप्लाई करना है, मतलब जो लेयर पे हमें करना है वो it should be a dark. So I think in my point of view, multiply is looking way good than other. Like I said, it's like in difference, it will show like some VFX time of thing. So we will be selecting multiply. Like it's a personal choice. And we will be changing its opacity to little bit of 90, 80 till 90. More natural. So the basic thing, generally we would be saving this photo like in PSD format. Why PSD format? Because the photo it's like full form of that is Photoshop document, and we can it saves in the format of layers like we are seeing it. And in this like we have edited this photo and we close it out in the PSD format and move away and again come back to this image and again re-edit it, मतलब हम वापस आके उसको edit भी कर सकते हैं. So we should save it in PHD format and उससे वजह से layers भी नहीं जाते. या फिर अगर हमने इसको JPEG में सेव किया जैसे कि अब हम अभी करेंगे, हम जाएंगे फाइल save as and click save as. Okay, there would be a one like shown that sample one and it's in the PSD format. If we like you can see over here there is an option like layers, it's ticked on. So we can save this in the format of layers. So we will be saving this, the sample one. Then it would ask you the maximum compatibility. Say OK to it. And now we would be closing this and going to open sample image one. Now you would be seeing some benefits of using the Photoshop document. Layers back again, but if we save this image as a JPEG, which like save a type option, we would be saying it and say that JPEG, there would be no option ticked on the layers if you observe. Like okay, there is no option ticked in that format of layers, and now we will be saving it. Okay, I need to change the name. Anything? Sorry for the lag of the internet which I'm facing right now. You would be facing it like, if you seeing, first of all you will be seeing like it's in the high in the your Photoshop. If you install for the first time, first thing while saving it, make it maximum and make the as large as file as possible, because it will keep the details of your photo very frequently, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से रखेगा वो सेव करते समय, या उसको कोई ये नहीं, मतलब कोई कंप्रेशन वाली लिमिट नहीं होगी. Say okay and it would be saved. The meanwhile, if we open a normal JPEG document, which now I have saved, okay, this we will select this as the normal saved document. Say open. It's almost the same, and it doesn't have any layers consisting in it. If you see in the layers panel, this was the which we did. Now moving forward to the second point, like you're having it, we will be opening another image, which is like having this blueberries. Okay, in this session, like in this picture, it's already well composed. Like in the Raghavendra sir said that everything in odds would look very good. Sorry, in even or odd. So it's like having a number. Like I generally also think that having in the number of 1, 3, 5. If we see this, the all the blueberries are in the 5 number of option, and it looks so beautiful. So now we will be editing it little bit, and I will showing you the use of clone stamp tool. So this is the clone stamp tool we will be selecting, or we can use the shortcut method of S. In this, we will be little bit zooming in this photo for further more details. So like this, we will be pressing Alt and the left click of a mouse to select the path which we want to duplicate. Like now you will be seeing this for, like if you have further पहले भी यूज किया होगा तो समझ मतलब आ ही जाएगा कि क्या होने वाला है ये फोटो में. So as I do it, it would be creating a duplicate of that blueberry, and I'm trying to make it more precise, but okay, it's fine. So one thing which I forgot to tell you, that we should always switch on the layer. Now for the meanwhile, I forgot to switch on the layer, so it has been created on the background image. So whenever you do it, you should first switch on the layer, then go to the same blueberry thing, select it. Now we have created over here. You might think that it won't be created over here, but let me show something. It can create in any part of our image. Quite more precise than the previous one. Okay, fine. For this, we use a clone stamp tool. I will be adding one layer. So we will be adding one text layer over here. Okay, the font size was too large, so you won't be visible. मतलब दिख नहीं रहा था वो. हम थोड़ा font size छोटा करते हैं उसका. 150. Let's see. So you can change the font color from the upper side of this. Like you have a selection tool. Sorry, and change it to white. If you don't see this, then we should say press Ctrl A, select all, and then go to the white color and select it. So the thing is right now that our blueberry is very upfront of this. ये पूरा image के ऊपर आ रहा है और ये इतना अच्छा दिख नहीं रहा, तो हम इससे अभी लेयर मास्क करके एक टूल होता है वो यूज करेंगे. सर मतलब लेयर मास्क स्टार्ट करने के बाद भी हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर एक वाइट कलर का क्लिपबोर्ड टाइप आ गया है. अगर इसमें एक ये फंडा होता है कि इफ यू यूज अ ब्रश टूल would be more helpful. Now I will be using brush tool, and in this which like if you are seeing this plain white, then you can see that everything is visible. But if you use a black color on it, the things would not be visible. The basic fundamental. Now I will be using a brush tool with the black as a foreground color of mine. For the brush tool, you can use B as your shortcut key. Now we will be using a brush tool, which is quite limited to pink black. Now like this we would be erasing the blue piece. Now we are like certain time of we are erasing that part of the alpha text layer. ये हम स्नैपसीड में भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा मतलब ये नहीं है कि इसके लिए फोटोशॉप ही लगता है. But the thing after all is it depends upon the quality and the compressibility of the image. So this is how that looks. Pretty much visible. And one thing we find, like if you think as a graphic designing part of view, when we hide this letters, if मतलब अगर हमें इसे हाइड करना है तो हमें ऐसा कुछ आइडेंटिकल टेक्स्ट डालना चाहिए जिससे हमें ये समझ में आ जाए कि ये वही चीज है जो हम फोटो में दिखा रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ पर हमने ये हाइड करने के बाद most of the time we after reading blue and like berries type thing we like assume it only because it's a many times a mental and like there are many for few things with my मतलब उसके पीछे होता है ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग मेंटल थिंकिंग भी होता है कि ये भी डिजाइन करते करते समझ में आ जाता है. So for this image it's enough for that, and we will be moving further with the next image, which would be this landscape image. In this we will be using a crop tool. Now while using a brush tool in the previous image, if you face any difficulties, so it would be only one thing. Like I generally prefer to use the flow at 25%. So kindly use that also. Like as much the flow is low, it would be more feasible to use the brush tool. Like which I think. Now in this third image, in this third image, we will be using a crop tool and selected over here. Right, it would be already selected. And now moving forward, like if we are using this crop tool now, there are various options such as rule, like cropping also you can use the rules of third. If you press rules of third, you will be seeing the rules of third over here. Like it's already while cropping, you can see the rules of third. Similarly, if we use grid, then various types of grid will be appearing over here. And this is the various types of diagonal. Generally, this is the points which are being selected as a focal points, means the focus points of like wherever these lines are getting intersected, then these are known as the focal points. Then there's this triangle type of thing. Generally, we don't use a golden or triangle, we use a golden ratio or like golden ratio or golden spiral or rules of third. In this photo, we will be using rules of third. Now, I think that the mountains in the below point of view should cover my like this point of view. The mountains are till this point of view. We should cover the rules of third. So we will be making like हमें उसे वो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में सेट करना होगा अभी वो इमेज को. तो हमें क्या करना है, पहले तो हमें यहाँ पर अगर डिलीट क्रॉप पिक्सेल्स होगा तो उसे बंद करना है और कंटेंट अवर पे क्लिक करना है. मतलब अगर तुम्हें कंटेंट उसके अंदर पुट करना होगा तो हम कंटेंट अवेयर करके वो उसको चेक ऑन कर देंगे और फिर हम इसे ड्रैग करेंगे जहां तक हमें लगता है कि रूल्स ऑफ थर्ड वैलिड मतलब सूट करना चाहिए. लाइक 2/3 ऑफ स्काई एंड 1/3 ऑफ माई माउंटेन. It's generally it's take overs the sky type of thing, but I need that thing as a mountain. So we will release it and then press the tick button right over here. Now the AI of Photoshop will work and show us the result. The basic it has been auto-generated image in the upper part of the Photoshop. Now similarly, I think the mountain should be have gone towards the left also and part of view. So like you should expand it to the left part of view. तो हम ऐसे ड्रैग कर देंगे पकड़ के and click on content aware and go and check it. अभी हमारा माउंटेन यहाँ तक ही था, अभी वो इंक्रीज होते होते यहाँ तक पहुंच चुका है. तो वी कैन से दैट ओके इट्स वर्क्स वेरी गुड. तो हमें अभी उसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी इक्वली बढ़ाना होगा. तो हमें क्या करना है, तो पहले हम इसे अनडू करते हैं. तो क्रॉप टूल यूज करेंगे. वी विल प्रेस ऑल्ट and drag from the both the side. Means you select one side and drag it so that it will drag in a simultaneous way. इसमें बहुत बार लोग पहले ऑल्ट छोड़ देते हैं और क्लिक करते हैं, मतलब छोड़ के क्लिक करते हैं. अभी मैंने मतलब आदत है इसलिए मेरे को पता है कि ऑल्ट लास्ट तक प्रेस करना है बिफोर लीविंग द माउस बटन. तो जब हम वो ऐसा करते हैं तो कैसा होता है, press alt and drag and first leave the alt button. It should only select this part. Now you can see it. Okay, it just selected only the left hand side of it. I pressed Alt and moved aside, but first I left the Alt button. So it would select only left hand pointer. So I don't need that right now. I similarly content away, and let's see. Okay, there are a few glitches in this. In the right now, like if we observe that in the right hand extended of if we see that in the right hand side में देखेंगे तो ये जो ग्रास है वो की बल्कि elongate हो गए तो वो duplicate हो गए तो ये तो मैं both the sides जब मैं elongate करता हूँ उसके बाद का व्यू दिखेगा तो यहाँ पर अगर देखोगे तो राइट हैंड साइड में वो डुप्लीकेट हो गया है बट मतलब उधर थोड़ा पॉइंट में मतलब ग्लिच दिख रहा है तो we can use this healing tool or any clone stamp tool is also fine. I think so. We will use it. Select the grass over here. Like I will be zooming it right now. Selecting a grass point of view over here with Alt and left hand key. And जहाँ लगता है यहाँ पर ऐड कर देते हैं और या फिर यहाँ से ऐड करके ग्रास बनाना so it works like this like sometimes there are glitches I'm not trying to do it perfectly right now because we have to cover more of the other topics also so if you get a time you can press it and check it like the things which I will be also sharing some photos which I have edited before also so this would be the thing and now we are like moving to another image which would be like color change it's a very good topic like अगर हमें सोचा जाए कि कोई एक टॉपिक हो जो बहुत मतलब बिगिनर में सबसे हार्ड होगा तो वो होगा कलर चेंज we will be selecting both of the color change right now and I will be opening it meanwhile I will be closing other documents
Vedant,
yes sir
Vedant, sorry to interrupt, but there is one question. I think that particular attendee is hands-on. Okay, so that attendee got stuck with some error.
error okay
There is one
Let
question.
me see,
Second
sir.
last question.
I like it is like while I'm trying to do this is that question sir
Yes, yes, yes.
okay I got an error saying not enough source pixel so the thing is like if you select the area like if you have selected a blank layer over it so we should like select the layer which is we are using right now it might face a issue if you select a blank layer and it will give you that error that source pixel is not there so I think Bandis sir also has answered that question and okay and the answer is satisfied I think so so moving further so this is a basic car in this we will be changing the color of this Volkswagen type small minibus. So first of all, we will be adding one thing which would be adjustment layer, which like if you go to the bottom layer where we have created a new layer and a circular like logo type thing would be दिख जाएगा, तो वहां पर हम जाएंगे और क्लिक करेंगे उसके ऊपर एंड वहां हमें दिखेगा कि एक यू सैचुरेशन करके होगा, हमें वो सिलेक्ट करना है। अगर वो वहां नहीं दिख पा रहा है तो हम जाएंगे इमेज में, न्यू एडजस्टमेंट लेयर, एंड यहाँ पर भी मिल जाता है, इट्स वन एंड द सेम। It's asking you the previous clip image, like see it's one and the same, it has created a double layer right now. We're deleting one of them. So right now it would be like master written over there, master as well as then hue, saturation and lightness. So we will be selecting now. It depends upon the color which you want to select. If you want to select the red colors, then you will select the red, yellow then yellow, green then the cyanins, blue and magenta. If the it's आजू बाजू का कलर जो होगा वो हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे उसके लिए। तो हमें अभी यहाँ पर ये गाड़ी अराउंड ऑरेंज है, तो ऑरेंज भी हम येलो में कंसिडर करते हैं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है उतना, बट द थिंग इज इट वुड क्रिएट अ न्यू लेयर और पैनल वुड बी रिशफल्ड, शफल हो जाता है। अभी हमने यहाँ पर क्लिक किया है तो ऑब्जर्व द डाउन पार्ट ओवर हियर, like over here. First of all, I press this eyedropper tool over here, the first eyedropper tool, and then select the color which I wanted to select. Blue, then it would be selected in the blue point of view. As you see now, observe the down two bars. तो नीचे दो बार है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए। सॉरी, अगर हमने यहाँ पे ब्लू कलर सिलेक्ट किया तो हमें यहाँ पे ब्लू कलर पे ये टॉगल शिफ्ट होते हुए दिखेगा। Then we will be like shift. Now it's in the yellow or orange point of view. So basically we will be reducing this layer and observe it. If we change the hue color first and see, now I have shifted it to near blue. Better understanding, I will shift this up or over here. Now we can see it pretty clear. We'll be shifting towards the green. If we shift towards the green, then yellow and green will mix up, I think, and make a red color. I personally think that it should be in a red color for better, or in a pink color also. It's like it's good in this also. And now we can select the saturation tool and make it unsaturated or more saturated, like in a specific color in the overall. It is means ये पूरा रेड कलर है ना, जो पूरे इमेज में जितना रेड होगा उधर उधर इफेक्ट करेगा। सो देखते हैं ये रेड में अभी फिलहाल ये रेड ठीक है, एंड so this. Now we will be placing it back. Like I said, in the layer mask, black color would be invisible and white color would be visible. So we will be making the things if any else, like anywhere else than any other yellow has been selected and changing its color to red, we should first of all clear it out. So we will be selecting this brush tool and we will be erasing the point wherever we think rather than the bus it would affect the red. Like it's, we have one thing. Generally this image only contained only the red part, yellow part, this minibus, so it was damn easy to color the change the color. But if you have, और मतलब अभी तक आइडिया नहीं मिला होगा कि ये कैसे अगर पूरा इम्पैक्ट करता है, तो एक और लेयर हम क्रिएट करते हैं ह्यू सैचुरेशन वाला, और हम ये सेलेक्ट करते हैं कि we have to change the color of blue because blue is like this image is containing more number of blue. So we will be placing this eyedropper, selecting this eyedropper tool and selecting this blue color, and now changing it. If you will see few results of it, it has been changed to green. Now I have tried to do it in a little brown, which is not looking at all good. We can also use this to, like, if you have to saturate any color, a specific color. Now, if I want to saturate the blue color, I will be using a little bit of dark saturation and decrease the saturation. It is a personal perspective and do it. I'm fine with this. Okay, what does this lightness would be working? First of all, if we take it to the darker side, it would create a whole dark layer. If we go to the white side, it would go to the white layer. So it works in this manner. So we will be not touching as many of it. ज़्यादा हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे उसको, जैसा है वैसा रहने देते हैं. So it's like pretty well good and well looking. Now if you observe that there was one thing which I told it was, it had affected the whole image. Now see the part below the car, it is showing you a blue color. Okay, zoom it and show it. Like over here it is showing a blue color. I have zoomed the now picture. If you see now the below near the tires, you will be observing the blue color. So yeah, the blue is like blue only. So we will change it to green. Now see it, it's the green color. How much the areas are been affected can be easily be visible. So when you are, like, you want to erase something, first of all there is the layer mask, and change the, means select any dark color, which I have selected a green color, so I will be selecting green color and showing. Go and select the mask layer mask, and use a brush tool. Right now we are facing like in this tire rims, so we will be erasing it using a black color. Then the point, like in the shadows, generally it affects the whole background of the image. Not doing that much precisely, but you have a I have shared this image. You can try it at home also. Most of the time the people are right now on the home, right? We'll be changing its color to a little bit of blue, little bit dark blue. So it generally shows me a vivid tone in my photograph. Like colors are getting enhanced in this. So now we will be moving to second picture, which I have selected for one
Vedant,
specific reason. Yes, sir.
yeah, sorry to interrupt. You can go to the last image. There was a question for that image. So
Okay.
the question was, you can check the second last question by person about the color of the top of the bus.
Okay. It's like
Can you see the
it's a white color.
Yeah.
Yes, I can see the white question. If I want to change the color of top portion of fan
Yeah.
without changing other white parts. Okay. Now basically, which I wanted to tell you, it's in the next. Like why I have selected the second photo is just like for that reason. So moving forward, like if it's possible now I will be showing you why we can't do change in the white color, because white color never have any hue or saturation. Like if you go into the panel and like this, there is no option for the white color. Okay, for the one thing is that the basic rule which many of times I have heard also, that white is a mixture of all 7 colors. So if we start affecting the white color, it might affect the many other colors. So for this point of view, we will be using the next image and I will be showing how to change the color in the set. Like if we see over here, there is the TV which you have seen behind this girl's portrait, which is of little red color, and over the right hand side wall, which is like it's having some white color texture in it or a grayish color. So I wanted to have the color of this TV and this wall and both the sides of walls having the same color as the girl has wear his t-shirt. So we will be doing it. Let's select the hue saturation, then go to reds. Now if we select yellow, right, I have just recommended you that select any other color, like which is the proper color you must select it. मतलब जो color है वो select करना चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं किया तो क्या होता है, तो एक बार दिखा देता हूँ कि देखो यहाँ पर हमने आई पिकर सेलेक्ट किया तो यहाँ पर देखो नेम चेंज हो जाएगा. इट वुड बी रिटन एज रेड्स 2. But the thing is, if we go and if we close this document and if we close this and again open this, it would be showing us as a master. So if it would affect the whole document, जितना भी कलर है उसके ऊपर पूरा टोटल में एक अफेक्ट करेगा. So अगर तुम्हें नहीं मिल रहा है तो हमें हमेशा मतलब अभी यहाँ पर रेड 2 करके क्रिएट हो गया है, बट अभी हमारे सेटिंग्स यहाँ पर हम जाएंगे रेड में तो रेड में नहीं दिखेगी, और रेड 2 में जाएंगे तो it's like I have not done any adjustment, but I will show it once again. If we have done this in the green and now we will be closing it again opening it. So अगर हम रेड में जाएंगे तो रेड में हमें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा as पहले भी था, हमें ग्रीन्स में भी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, साइनेंस में कुछ नहीं, बट रेड 2 में होगा. So to avoid that confusion which is created and not actually, if we have to select the next color is of yellow color, then it would be a little bit difficult task. So we would like it's generally preferred to use the color which is selected. Now I will be deleting this, again regenerating new hue saturation there. So now I will be selecting the reds and moving forward. I have to select the precise phone which I like to select the corner of this TV. Now, as I have selected this color, if you observe the down part of it, now first of all, we will change the hue color of it. Now it is impacting on my subject's skin also, as well as her own clothes also, and many other things. It's totally getting affected. So what we can do is, there is one option right over here. If we see, I am not able to zoom it, but you can zoom it and go to the properties panel, which might be showing right now where the color adjustments I'm doing. So over there is one small toggle, or like this, there is option on these two bars. So select the color range. If it selects the color range for the particular point, जैसे जैसे हम ये कम करते जाएंगे, हमें समझ में आ जाएगा कि हमने बहुत कम कलर सिलेक्ट किया है। तो मोर जनरली अभी इतना इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ अभी तक। अगर हमने यहाँ से ग्रीन पार्ट कम किया और अभी यहाँ का ऑरेंज थोड़ा सा कम, लाइक यू कैन सी द चेंज इन कलर इज बीन सीन। अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि धीरे धीरे वो कम हो रहा है, इम्पैक्ट कम हो रहा है टोटल जितना अमाउंट है उसके ऊपर। So we will be zooming out for more clear view. It is affecting total on our skin also. So we will be moving towards some adjustments. Okay, right now it's not damaging my this line of the line which two walls are, तब जिधर ये दीवार जॉइंट हो रही है वहां पे कोई एक अगर हमने कम किया था तो यहाँ पर दिख नहीं रहा था, पर अभी जब ये इंक्रीज करेंगे तो हम ये दिखेंगे। बट अभी फिलहाल ऐसा सीन है कि हमारा पूरा मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट के बॉडी पे पर्पल कलर का रंग आ गया है। हमें भी ये निकालना है, तो वी विल अगेन यूज द लेयर मास्क black because we don't want to see this in this image, so we will be erasing it. Wherever there is like no impact you want to adjust, like we can size up the scale of this and take off brush and बढ़ा के कभी भी मतलब ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट ना हो ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं। जनरली थोड़ा सा ही करो और फिर वापस छोड़ दिया करो, मतलब ड्रैग ज्यादा करके फायदा नहीं होता है। अगर तुमने पूरा कर दिया और एक जगह के गलत हो गए, वो पूरा कंट्रोल जेड दबाने के बाद पूरा चला जाएगा। इससे अच्छा है कि अभी देखो यहाँ पर मेरा गलती से यहाँ पे चला गया, तो अभी ये तो गलत था इसलिए हमने ये कर दिया। अभी आई वॉज यूजिंग इट इन अ वेरी स्मॉल मैनर, छोटे छोटे पार्ट में यूज करके बढ़ा रहा था, मतलब अभी यहाँ पर भी यूज हो गया। इफ आई हैव डन दिस होल बॉडी थिंग, her face, and then impacted this, it would be a waste. So just clarify this. We will be cleaning her जितना भी दिख रहा है एक्सेस कलर में सब निकाल देंगे। अभी ठीक है क्योंकि हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट का इतना इम्पैक्ट हो नहीं रहा, तो अभी इसके शायद आंखों पे है। So moving further, like now we have to match this color and the color of the object shot. So we will be moving it. Now if like now it's we have selected this master now, like I did, it is impacting on the whole of the body. It's not that much effective. Minitants are also do. So we will be selecting the reds. Now we have a previous setting which we had left, and we will be moving further. Now I think we have got that color. दिख रहा है, लगभग सही दिख रहा है, उस साइड में है. Okay, we will be reducing saturation and see. Okay, it's like looking a little bit fine over there. Now the question which she asked was like, it was like if we have a white background, then how we will be selecting it. So we will, now I will be telling it, like if you go to this, I can create a new saturation layer. The first thing which we would do is colorize this. Go to red, and there is one option besides the color picker. Use colorize the button. And now the whole image has been converted to some type of color. So it's a default which I use generally, which is like hue 25 and 0. You can choose any other, like I will now select and change it. It's मतलब उससे उसका कोई संबंध नहीं होता है कि कुछ भी सेटिंग करवा तो भी चलेगा, कि बाद में हम वैसे भी वो एडिट कर पाते हैं. तो हम अभी यहाँ पे जाएंगे, और अभी हमें यहाँ पे पूरा ब्रश टूल चलाने में मतलब इतना मतलब इफेक्टिव काम करने से अच्छा है कि हमें यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट की यूज करेंगे. हम लेयर मास्क के ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे और कंट्रोल और आई दबाएंगे, जिससे वो इन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ये पूरा ब्लैक हो गया, मतलब ये पूरा इनविजिबल हो गया. अभी हमें इसे विजिबल करना है, तो वी विल बी यूजिंग व्हाइट color with the brush because we have to make it visible. Okay, now for the meanwhile I will be closing this property. Add this pink color over here. Okay. I think so. Yeah, the screen has been stepped up. Okay, I will be look till that time to questions point of view. Okay, there was one question. What if I erase the part of a letter? How to undo, or what? How to recover that part? Okay, then that point of view, we have been removed it using a layer mask. We were using a layer mask tool over it. So the basic principle of the layer mask works in that if we use a black color brush over a white color thing, it would make it invisible. And if we again put a white color brush on the black color thing, next, now if we have removed it using a black color paint, so if we put a white paint over it, so we can again recover the image whatever we have done while the editing of it. So as now we can see that it has, I have selected selected most probably the pink color. Select the brush, do the later part of thing. Now, most probably I have selected all the parts of that roughly. Okay, now we will be going to hue saturation by clicking over here. Here thumbnail दिखेगा अभी और फिर हमें ये खोलना है अगेन रिस्टोर। तो अभी हम जैसे देख रहे थे कि वापस हम आ चुके हैं इस पे। कस्टम नहीं करना है, डिफॉल्ट कहना है जो हमारे पहले सेटिंग्स थे। शायद रेड लिया था।
Vedant, we have poll questions as well. Are you?
Yes, sir. I will be putting it in a while. So
Are there any more
meanwhile, I will
images?
show this and then we'll be. No, this is the last image which I will show because as far as we are already crossed the time limit.
Okay.
So now this would be a thing. Generally, what we have to do is adjust this as per the color which we want. Okay, it is somewhat, I have tried to do it, like it's not a precise job, but I had to show like how the colors would change if we have a white background behind the object or like this. So we can change it through this. Okay. Bit of spot healing brush. Use create a new layer. Spot healing brush to by pressing J. It has been cleared, but it has damaged. So not doing that much precisely, but just showing the concept like how it works. So we have changed the color of white also, as that out was given. Okay, like now I will be putting one poll question. Like it's a very easy, and I have repeated this thing many times in this lecture, in this session. Sorry. Now I will be launching it. शोभित भैया
Vedant.
तो वो दिख रहा है पोल?
हाँ पोल दिख रहा है.
%30 have voted. The question is in the layer mask, if we have to make edit visible, which color of brush would you use? Okay, up till now 46%.
Yes, Vedant, I think you can
Suppose
end the poll.
Okay,
I have
okay, it's
ended.
closed. So we can see that 49% of people has given answer as black. I am just shocked to see that 5% people have voted for blue, and 46% of it. The answer of this question is white. In the layer mask, if we have to make, मतलब we have to make edit visible, जो अभी हमने edit किया, for example यही नीचे देख लो कि हमने यहाँ पे invert किया था जो कि black हो गया था, अभी हमें edit हमारा visible करना था, तो हमने कौन सा कलर यूज किया था? तो हमने व्हाइट कलर यूज किया था और मेकिंग लुक, मतलब हम जो चेंजेस करने वाले थे जो कि दिखना चाहिए था, इसलिए हमने उसके ऊपर ब्लैक के ऊपर व्हाइट यूज किया. So those who have used, like, given the answer of 46% people who said white, they have got a right answer, and I am shocked to see 5% blue. Okay. Results were shared or not?
Yes, Vedant, it was shared.
Okay. I will just turn on the screen for a while. See what I was explaining right now. I think we have used a layer mask over here. We made a black, which is inverted layer mask, and we painted a white over it. So the question, which was pretty much clear, I think so. And now the solution also, you have seen it. So I tried to cover maximum points of this. If you want to see the collage type of thing, which would be like, we will share some tutorials over it. So now as we are falling short of time, so if you have any questions, you can ask. Yes, sir.
Oh, I think we are done. Let the questions come in. Meanwhile, Fiza can give the vote of thanks for the people who are leaving the webinar.
Okay, fine.
Hello?
There will be
Yes,
no
That's
doubt
all I
clearing
can say
session.
right now.
There will be no doubt clearing session tomorrow. Yes, please go.
Okay. Respected Wangikar ma'am, Kapse sir, and all the participants, it's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Fiza Patel, on behalf of Shutterbugs MIT OE Club, extend a hearty vote of thanks to our Director of MIT Academy of Engineering, Gauder sir, Dean of Student Affairs, Wangikar ma'am, and Kapse sir, Faculty Coordinator of the club, for all the constant support and guidance. I heartily congratulate all you photography enthusiasts who have taken time and enrolled for this workshop. As no program can become successful with a single person, so I extend my big thanks to our all co-organizers for their guidance and sharing knowledge with all of us. Once again, thank you guys for making this workshop successful, and also we hope for such participation in future. Until then, keep clicking. Thank you.
Okay, I would like to say sorry for the network issue which I was facing, and also thank you for giving us such a good opportunity to Steam Shutterbugs as well as MITOE.
Okay, Shobit, are there any questions?
Are getting any questions? If you attendees, if you have some questions, you can ping Vedant on his WhatsApp or in the group as well.
Okay.
Sure, if you have any doubt,
So I think
you
we are
can
done with
ask in the group also. Yes, sir.
yes. I think we are done with this. Shobit, Raghavendra, Rutvik.
Yes, sir.
Should I end the webinar?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you all attendees and the co-organizers. Thank you.
Wait.
There's a question. Yes, Raghavendra, you want to say
I
anything?
think there is a question. So he thinks he had said wait. So the question is, what if I erase the part of a letter? How to undo or how to recover that part? Like in this, while editing it, if I think I have closed that image of blueberry, yes, I have closed that. But if you go and like use a white color over a black color, or if जो कि हमने ब्लैक कलर से पेंट ब्रश से यूज किया था इरेज करने के लिए, तो हम उसके ऊपर अगर व्हाइट कलर का ब्रश टूल यूज करेंगे, मतलब व्हाइट कलर लेके ब्रश टूल यूज करेंगे, तो वी कैन हेल्प इट, लाइक वो दिख जाएगा. सो इट्स दैट सिंपल आई थिंक, एंड थैंक यू फॉर. ओके सर.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.